Welcome to Coinmerce. In this video, we explain how to switch from Bitvavo to Coinmerce. To get started, navigate to your Bitvavo dashboard. Then click on the relevant crypto you want to transfer, in this case, Litecoin. To transfer your Litecoins to Coinmerce, next click on Withdraw. To withdraw crypto, you will need an address. Navigate to your wallet in Coinmerce. Click here on Add New. Then in this case, choose Litecoin. Copy the Litecoin address and paste this address into the withdrawal section on Bitvavo. Then click Continue. Then enter the correct amount of crypto you want to transfer. Then click Continue and then confirm the transaction. After a few seconds to minutes, your Litecoins will arrive at Coinmerce and you will see them reflected in your wallet. It's that easy. Coinmerce. Give your money a future.